Okay, now we're going to do laws 3 and 4. Now, in one of the classes, I switched 2 with 3. The order doesn't matter. It's do you know the laws? So 3 is if you have a product raised to a power, you raise every term to that power. And 4 is when you have a fraction to a power, you raise both terms, the numerator and denominator of that power. So if I say what's 3x cubed, both terms are in parentheses, so I'd say, okay, that's 3 cubed, x cubed. So that would be 27x cubed, and before you ask, no, you do not need to show that step. So 2/3 cubed. Cube both terms, and as we know, it'd be 8/27. So when I have a product raised to a power, you raise both terms to that power, so it'd be x to the 6th cubed, y to the 10th cubed, and no, you don't need to show that. So that'd be x to the 18th, y to the 30th. This would be x to the 5th 10th, y to the 11th to the 10th. So it'd be x to the 50th, y to the 110. Hoo-hoo. So, try those problems right there. Don't worry about this one. I'll do it. Do those 5 for me. Freeze the video and then do them. Okay. So x to the 6th to the 4th would be x to the 24th. Y to the 10th to the 4th is y to the 40th. Negative to an odd power is negative. Remember, if it's to an even power, it's positive. Got to be in the parentheses. X to the 7th to the 7th would be x to the 49th. Y to the 11th to the 7th would be y to the 77th. And then negative to an even is positive. X to the 4th to the 10th would be x to the 40th. Y to the 11th to the 10th is y to the 1/10th. Down here, 5 times 6, that's 30. X to the 17th. Y to the 31st, because when you multiply terms same base, you add the powers. And z times 1 is z. When I have a base to a power, raise the whole thing to another power, you multiply, so it'd be x to the 24th, y to the 28th, z to the 40th. And then this last one didn't fit on the screen, so I'll do it. X to the 6th cubed is x to the 18th, y to the 8th cubed is y to the 24th, times x to the 4th to the 10th is x to the 40th, y cubed to the 10th is y to the 30th. Then you have to remember, when you multiply things same base, you add the power. So it'd be x to the 58th, y to the 54th. So notice how many problems we did in 3 minutes. So it's a big difference in solving systems of equations. Much faster. Have a good day.